Hi guys, so the next squishy hunting at the Plaza. Okay guys, so let's walk. Let's find some dumplings. There, we can buy some. I hope there are not duplicates, so let's go. Hope there are some. Oh, and chickens. They have some. This, where you can, how much? It's 99 only guys. Let's see how much is this. Oh, so expensive. Nope. Okay guys, so they said they're in stock, so I have to find it before it really. Look at this cute stuff, but it says these guys, but there are no species that these are species, but I think this is what they mean species. Oh, there's an ensign, but it's too expensive. Oh look guys, they had this. I think I'm gonna buy this or not. Oh, it's only 39. This species, there are stress. Oh, it's nice. They're cheap. I think I'm gonna buy it. I really think because there are only 79 pesos. Look at this. Orange. Oh, guys, look, they had this on. Look, how much is that? But it's not species, so we're not gonna buy. We're looking for species. What's this? I know what's this. I think I'm gonna buy this dress. Okay, let's go look over here. Okay, oh, they're hard. Some flame on it. Oh, just like this black toy. Oh guys, look, I found something. It's only 39. Look at squishies either. And there's something. Oh, this squishy. And hard. This, what's this? It's 100. Okay guys, so they're on restock. I think this is all just they have. Yeah guys, this. But I don't think I should buy it because they're all stressful. I think I'm gonna buy this. Yeah. Okay, we have it. Bye. Bag secured.